So, in the last lecture, we have seen that Oswald does not suit the description of a spy. Fowler is a writer who came with Oswald. Oswald and Fowler reached a hotel room. And what happened? When they reached the hotel room, they found Max, a person who looked like Fox, was standing there. And now Max is also after that paper. Max is after those papers regarding missiles which Oswald is going to have soon. Oswald said moodily, 31 minutes. The appointment was for 12:30. So 12:30 there is an appointment between Oswald and someone else, and Oswald is going to get some paper which Max will get from him. Now Oswald said, I wish I knew how you learned about the report, Max. Because these are secret information, so Oswald is telling Max, I wish I knew how you could learn about this. How you learned about this. The little spy, that is Max, smiled evilly with the evil inside him. And we wish we knew how your people got the report. We wish we knew how you people got that report of missile, but no harm has been done. I will get it back tonight. So Max is sure that he will get back those report from Oswald tonight. Which report? The report regarding missile. And who is with Oswald? Fowler is with Oswald. 3 persons are there in room, and this all thing is going on around the paper, the reports of missile. Who is that? Who is at the door? So a knock is there at the door. Okay. Fowler jumped at the sudden knocking at the door. Oswald just smiled. That will be the police, he said. I thought that such an important paper as the one we are waiting for should have a little extra protection. So there is going to be a meeting at 12:30. 31 minutes are left to 12:30. And as because such important papers Oswald is going to get, so what Oswald is telling, that I thought that such an important paper as the one we are waiting for what? Waiting for that paper. When? 12:30. Waiting for what? Again I'm repeating, waiting for the paper of missiles. And at which time? At 12:30. So they are waiting to get some papers regarding missile at 12:30. And as because they are waiting for those important paper, so Oswald is telling that for that he thought that he needs some police protection. So I told them whom? To the police. Who told? Oswald told. Why he told? Because he is having the missile paper. He will be having the missile papers at 12:30. So Oswald is telling Max all these stories, that I told the police to check on me to make sure everything was all right. Max bit his lip nervously. So Max is now very nervous that police was there. The knocking was repeated. What will you do now, Max? Oswald asked. As the police is there, so Oswald is asking Max, what will you do now? If I do not answer the door, they will enter anyway. So now Oswald is telling Max, he's actually making Max afraid by all telling that police is there. So now Oswald is telling, if I do not answer the door, the police will enter anyway. The door is unlocked and they will not hesitate to shoot. Hesitate means they will not think before they shoot you. Because why? Because they will find that someone is harassing Oswald. Who is harassing? Max is harassing. And what is Oswald telling? Oswald is telling the police is at the door. Max's face was black with anger. As he blackened swiftly, he quickly got back towards the window. He swung a leg over the sill. So he crossed one of his leg across the window, and one leg was inside the room and another leg was outside. From where? From the window. Send them away, he warned. Send them means whom? The police. Who is telling? Max is telling. To whom he is telling? To Oswald he is telling. He warned. Who warned? Max warned. Whom he warned? He warned Oswald. I will wait on the balcony. So Max said that he will wait on the balcony. Send them away or I will shoot and take my chances. So Max is warning, threatening Oswald that if you don't send the police away, I will shoot. The knocking at the door became louder. Means now the knocking was with a knocking was more loud and a voice was raised. Mr. Rosable, Mr. Rosable. A voice could be heard from the outside the door. Mr. Rosable, Mr. Rosable. This one leg you can see outside and one leg is inside. So this is how Max swung across the window, keeping his body twisted so that his gun still covered the fat man and his guest. So the gun shows he was in such a position that Ozable and Fowler both are at his gunpoint. The man at the window grasped the frame. He held the frame with his free hand to support himself. Then he swung on the other leg up over the window sill. Now he crossed both of his legs across the window. He hold the frame, that is, he is going outside the window. The doorknob turned. The doorknob, someone was knocking, someone was shouting, so the doorknob turned. Swiftly, Max pushed with his left hand to free himself from the sill and dropped to the balcony. So Max was conscious that there is a balcony, and so what happened? He left hand he freed his left hand and he thought there is a balcony. I will leave the hand. He was holding the frame, so he thought that I will leave the frame and I will be there in the balcony. And then as he dropped, he screamed once shrilly. So shrilly means piercingly, na high pitch. I have told you shrilly. This word came in our notice where in his first flight, when that baby young seagull was and his family, their voice was also said that they were also talking in a shrill manner. So in this chapter also the shrill word is coming to our notice. And then he dropped. One scream came. So Max was conscious that he is going to drop in the balcony. But then what happened? He screamed once. The door opened and a waiter stood there with a tray. So Oswald was telling Max that the police is there. But now what happens? The door opened and a waiter stood there. There was no police, with a tray, a bottle and 2 glasses. Here is a drink you ordered for when you returned. So Oswald, when he was returning, he ordered for a drink, and now this waiter had came to Oswald's room to give that tray, bottle and 2 glasses. The waiter said, and set the tray and the table, deftly uncorked the bottle. So he opened the bottle and left the room. So Fowler was now white-faced. He was in shock that what happened. But he stammered. Stammered means when a person is unable to speak clearly, when he can't use the proper combination of words, instead he continues to use 1 or 2 words repeated number of time. This happens when a person is confused. So Fowler stared after him, but he stammered, "The police." So now Oswald sighed and said, "There was no police. Only Henry, whom I was expecting." So Oswald already told the waiter to come to a room, but then there was no police called by Oswald. So all this was make-up stories by Oswald that he told to Max. "But won't that man come out of the balcony?" Fowler began. Now Fowler asked that, "You told there is no police. Now Max will come out from the balcony because Max told I'm going to be in the balcony." Now Oswald said, "No, he won't return. You see, my young friend." Now Oswald is telling that no, Max will not return. Why will he not return? Because there is no balcony. So all the story that was made up, all the story that created confusion for everyone, that there are 2 rooms, 1 living room, 2 doors, empty room, all these were told in such a manner that confusion gets created, and that so that Max believes that there is a balcony, and when Max jumps over there is no balcony, and you can see that he screamed once shrilly when Max dropped himself thinking that there is a balcony. So there was a noise that came, one scream that came. That means he actually jumped. He thought that he is jumping to a balcony, but he jumped from that top floor to ground totally, and he is not even living now. So he is dead, because there was no balcony. So Oswald misguided Max by telling all these things so that Max Max believes that okay, there is a balcony and I will go there as because police is there. So all these stories are made up by Ausable in order to make Max a donkey. Okay, so that Max don't understand whatever happening. So Max was misguided and finally he died. So he came to take the missile papers from Ausable, but he was very unsuccessful. And as you know, as I have told you, see, I have told you about Sherlock Holmes and James Bond, and this is what I gave you also in your homework and everything. So solve these questions in your notebook again. If you have the fair, then in the fair one. If you don't have the fair, then in a rough one.